Hello guys, so for today, maglilinis kami dito kasi ito madami na basura at saka hindi kami nakatrim na mga halaman. Ayan ang aking kasama, ang sipag. So ayun, linisin namin dito. Ayan ang malunggay ko, buti naman, marami na siyang dahon kasi nauubos ko. Kasi magagalit na lang. Where's another ano? Naliguan ng mga aso. This one, the shoes.
Throw that out.
Yeah.
And then that stuff's coming out.
This one is full already.
Yeah.
Ay, you put the mask in my pen.
Put it on.
Maybe you can put this one on my pen.
I don't know.
Oh, this one. Oh, this one.
Don't pack too much and then pull it out.
No, I mean, they are going here.
But you won't have to do it. You can pull it out.
Kasi yung garbage, yung garahe ay may sasakyan.
This.
One more time. This one. No more? No more there?
What?
No more bag?
No, they're on the car. The whole row.
It's okay this one and then...
No, it's not. It's
Alright, then. Ayan mo ba dito? Get the bundle.
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. On there.
This one there first, because we have quite
We get these.
Ito guys, pangtapon namin yung printer na nasunog. Sayang. Samsung pa naman. So, mga garbage. The iron is still okay, but, no?
Yeah. No, the wire.
The wires broke. Kaya. So, ayan guys, ang pangit na ng mga halaman kasi natuyo, hindi nadiligan. Kasi nasira yung hose. Ayan. Hindi nadiligan yung aking halaman. Ayan. Naglinis kami ng aking kasama. Ha?
Put them in the sack.
Yes, yes. Ayan, dami ng bike. I-move namin muna dahil walisan namin dito dahil yan nga, nagkalumot-lumot at tuyo ng lumot. So, yan. Sino gusto mag-bike? Ayan, sitag kong asawa. Mm. So, yun na guys. Malinis na. Pinang-trim ko yung mga bulaklak na tinanim ng aking anak.